हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
What color is an apple? Pink, red, blue. The answer is red. The apple is red. What color is a banana? Yellow, purple, brown. The answer is yellow. The banana is yellow. What color is a grapes? Purple, red, orange. The answer is purple. The grapes is purple.
What color is an orange? Pink, orange, green. The answer is orange. The orange is orange. What color is a strawberry? Red, yellow, blue. The answer is red. The strawberry is red.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।